Dear friends, welcome to Learning Abode. In this video, I'm going to share recruitment information from Cognizant and Capgemini. Now, Capgemini hiring is a single location based hiring, right, for their Gurgaon location for engineering and MCA graduates, whereas this Cognizant hiring is for the 3-year graduates. Now, first information, and this is a pan-India hiring. Now, first the information about Cognizant. So Cognizant, they are hiring for their cloud infrastructure support, okay, a service desk role. Now this is mostly like a technical support, application support kind of role, right? Now the application deadline is mentioned as 30th of September 2022, but do not wait until that date, okay? So they may close it like anytime soon, maybe within a week or within 2 weeks or even within like next 4 days and so on, okay? So just go ahead and apply if you're eligible and willing to go for this. Just go ahead and apply. The CTC offered is like 2.52 lakhs per annum, okay? For the past 2 years or so, they have not increased the CTC for this particular role, right? Now coming to the eligibility criteria, any 3-year graduation program eligible, which means like BA or BCom, BBA, BSc, BCA, okay? So all these programs should be eligible. But in one of the recent like Cognizant hiring for a similar role, okay, BCA was not eligible. Now this time I'm not able to check that, okay? So if any of you are from BCA background, you can just try applying and then you can share the feedback in the comments or in the Insta page. And as far as the batch, like the batch is not mentioned, okay? But I guess again last time when they hired like 2022 and the earlier batches like 2021, 20 and 19 were also eligible, okay? So this time I checked with one of the 2021 profiles, the application was accepted. So I guess 2022 and earlier batches can apply, but again this part, because there are no other sources, so I couldn't confirm. But if you are able to like if you are from an earlier batch and if you are able to apply, you can share your share the information in the comments so that it will be useful for the other friends here, okay? And as far as the percentage criteria is concerned, like 50% in 10th 12th diploma on UG required, and there should not be any standing areas, and maximum gap of 3 years, and postgraduates are not eligible to apply for this, okay? And as far as the selection process is concerned, they have just mentioned like written test, and then you have a technical and a HR interview. So written test, technical and HR interview, that is the selection process. Now coming to the job description, so you will be responsible for providing IT infrastructure support covering cloud and on-premise products like Windows Cloud Computing, O365, end user computing, desk side services, and other business applications to their global customers. And you should be able to interact with the end users fluently, understand and resolve technical issues over various channels of support, hold high degree of conversational skills, right? Written and verbal communications are essential, and you'll be working in domains like banking, finance, insurance, communications, media, retail, healthcare, life sciences, technology consulting, etc. And you'll be providing expert solutions on infrastructure, applications, hardware and software installations, and networking queries, and accountable for gathering information through client conversation and ensuring optimal resolution, etc. is what is given. And this is a pan-India hiring, right? Pan-India hiring, 2.52 lakhs. Any 3-year graduate is eligible, like 2022 and the previous batches can apply for this. And the last date to apply is, though it is mentioned as 30th September, as I said before, just go ahead and apply. Now this hiring is happening through the Superset portal. Now if you already have a Superset portal, just go ahead and apply. If you don't have a login, okay, if you have not created a profile, it's very easy to create a profile. I have a separate video for that, okay? You can refer to that and then apply. So it's very easy to apply, but you need a resume, photograph and all that before you actually create a profile, okay? So this is the Cognizant hiring for the 3-year graduates. Now next one, Capgemini, they are hiring engineering and MCA graduates of 2020, 2021 and 2022. The location is Gurgaon. The last date to apply is 31st of August 2022, and the CTC offered is like 3 lakhs per annum. The role is a network engineer. Now coming to the eligibility criteria, like BE, BTech, MCA, right? And see, the 3 lakhs per annum is only for the first 6 months probation period. After that, on successful completion of probation, it is like 4 lakhs per annum, right? And so as far as the job description is concerned, demonstrate an aptitude and appetite for learning new technologies and all that is given. Okay, all the usual stuff. Able to identify problems and provide input to resolve the network related issues, right? And if you have a CCNA certification, that is preferred. Okay, and but you might need a little knowledge when you go for the interview. You might need a little knowledge on the networking technologies, routing and switching, collaboration, data center, wireless, security, cloud-based support, etc. Right? So that is basically essential. Okay, and you'll be actively acquiring more complex skills, techniques, operating practices, knowledge of abstract concepts to progress towards full proficiency in networking technologies. Okay, so the network engineering role, Gurgaon. Now this is a hiring that has been happening continuously through First Naukri platform and the Superset platform and all that. This is through Superset, platform, and it's very easy. If you have a profile already, you can just go ahead and apply. If you don't have a profile, you can create a profile easily. There's a separate video on how to create a profile in Superset platform, right? So with this, we come to the end of this video. I hope the information that I have provided here was useful to you. If you like the information that I have provided here, please click on the like button and then share it with your friends who may need it. And if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.